everyone, my name is Aishi and today I am going to introduce you with a unique gadget named Atulya. This gadget has been designed by DRDO and is tested and validated by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Let me tell you about this product. This is based on the microwave technology that can kill the harmful viruses including the coronavirus that is available in the environment and on different surfaces. JMV LPS Limited is now manufacturing this product in India and hence making it a completely Make in India solution to safeguard the user in this pandemic situation and to sterilize your daily used objects. So let's see how this device will work and how it will sterilize your highly touchable things with ease. I hope you all have understand the working of this product. It is very safe to use and a cost-effective Make in India solution that can operate in both the ways in portable installations as well as in fixed installations. So now just forget your regular poisonous disinfectants to sterilize your daily used objects. Just go Atulya with JMV and forget your worries. If you want to purchase this product, the details are given in the description box or you can write us on contact@jmv.co.in. Stay safe and stay healthy.